Hi everyone, welcome to ITPK. Today I will guide you how to set up Microsoft Outlook email on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please consider like and subscribe ITPK. So this is better to set up an Outlook on your Android mobile phone to start receiving and sending email and to stay updated from your mailbox all of the time. So first navigate to Play Store, then go to search and search for Microsoft Outlook. We're supposed to download Microsoft Outlook with Microsoft Outlook download icon. Let's go ahead and download and install Microsoft Outlook. So to download an Outlook app on my Android phone, I require to have at least 76 MB of space. Once this Microsoft Outlook will be downloaded to my mobile, we will go ahead and we will set up Microsoft Outlook email. Outlook is downloaded on my mobile. Now it's going to install Outlook in a minute. After installation, now let's go ahead and open Outlook on my Android phone. Once you open Outlook app on your phone, this will ask you welcome to Outlook, add account to your Outlook. Let's go ahead and add account. The second option is create new account. You could go ahead and you could create new account. I have created video on creating a free Outlook account. You can find that video in video description. I have the one, so I will go to add account. I came to add account and here it's asking me to enter your email to set up an Outlook. Okay, I've entered my email. Let's continue. Okay, once I enter my email, I have set up a multi-factor authentication on email for security purposes, and this is now asking me to send the notification Microsoft Outlook email to get that email logged in. So now this send a notification on my authenticator app and I have to select the number 72 on my authenticator to get this account logged into Outlook. Let's go ahead and approve it. Now sign in request is getting approved. Make sure all of your email account are secured with multi-factor authentication. Either those are Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail or any of the account to make your account more secure from hackers or scammers. So now this is setting up my Outlook email account into the Outlook app. That's perfect. Once your account gets set up into your Outlook, you will find these options that do you want to add another account or maybe later. So if you want to add another account, you could go ahead and click on add on right bottom of the screen. For now, I am going to select maybe later. I'm done with adding only one account here. So if I wanna send a new email, let's go ahead and try this. info@itpk.com. That's fine. Subject testing and send a test email. Hit send. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial with easy steps on how to download Outlook and how to set up Microsoft email on Outlook using Android phone. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.